Welcome to Chismbill Trail 61. Hey, today we're going to be fixing us an easy, quick dish. Hey, refrigerator to table, about 20 to 30 minutes. Real simple, quick and easy. Hey, I'm going to fix me some peanut butter chicken. I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing we're going to do for peanut butter chicken, I got a bowl here. And in this bowl, I'm going to put a quarter cup of water. Put about a quarter cup of soy sauce. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to help this honey get out of here. That's 2 tablespoons of honey. I have 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And I sprayed my little thing there to help that peanut butter come out when I got ready to take it out. If you'll spray your, whatever you put in peanut butter or honey, I also did my honey like that too. If you'll spray your measuring cup before you do it, put it in there, then it'll make it easier to come out. All right, there's a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I got 1 tablespoon of oil I'm putting in here. Now you can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, just whatever you got on hand there. And I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now I'm going to give that a whisk there. We just want to get that all mixed up good there. Get it going here, and then I'll sort of hold it over so y'all can see what it looks like there. Get it where it's not splashing so bad. Won't it splash? Because it will splash up on you. That's why I got it in the bigger size bowl like this. So you can see I'm just whisking it around there. Just want to get it whisked up good. Mainly just want to get our peanut butter mixed in good with our other items there. Other ingredients. You can see how it's coming together there. At least I hope you can. Now we're just going to leave this sitting here. And then we're going to move over to the stove and we'll see you over there. Okay, what we got here, we got probably, well, I got about 6 or 7 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now you can use 6 to 8 chicken thighs. You can use 2 to 3 breasts, whichever you prefer there, or whatever you got on hand. I just like to taste the dark meat better for this recipe, so that's why I'm using chicken thighs. And I just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And I'm just gonna put it over in the skillet here. Get all of it in the skillet. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit it with just a little bit of pepper. I'm not going to put any salt on it because that soy sauce we put in our mixture there, it's going to have plenty of salt in it. So I'm not going to add any salt to it. So what we want to do here, we just want to get this stirred around and mixed up, and then we're just going to cook this until it is cooked through. That's all we want to do is just cook her. Or bite-sized piece, but you can see about the size that I cut it up to there. And yes, I did trim some of the fat off, but I left some. That's my own preference. If you want to trim all the fat off, you can. I think the fat, if you leave a little bit of fat on it, then it'll give it more flavor. But like I said, I trimmed all the big pieces of fat off of it. But anyway, we're going to let this cook down. Whenever it gets starting to brown there, we'll bring you back and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, you can see our chicken now cooked completely through there, and you can see about how we got it chopped up there, you know, in bite-sized pieces. What we're going to do, we got our peanut butter mixture here. We're just going to drizzle it. I'm going to try to get this where y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to pour it out over my chicken here. Pour it around in the skillet on top of my chicken. Try to get all that in there. And we're just going to stir this around and cook it just for a minute or two here. All we want to cook it for. Just get our chicken mixed in good with it. Man, if y'all can smell this. Now I'm going to serve this over rice. And I don't know if I remember to tell y'all or not, but before I put my chicken in here, I had about a tablespoon of oil in here, because you know chicken, it doesn't make grease per se. See how our sauce is thickening up there and adhering to our chicken? That's just what we want. We're going to cut the heat off now. I had it on medium heat. We're going to cut the heat off. We're just going to stir it here for just a minute. Man, if y'all can smell that. We're going to serve this over some rice. And man, you talk about some eating. As my daddy used to say, we're going to be eating high on the hog tonight. Okay, we're going to take and put this in a bowl, get a rice bowled up. We're going to get a plate, and we're going to meet y'all back over at the island there, and we're going to plate up some. Okay, we got our peanut butter chicken plated up here over rice. I'll tell y'all a secret about my rice there. I cook my rice, you know, instead of cooking in the water, since I'm having chicken with it, I take and cook it in chicken broth instead of, you know, like if you do a cup of rice, you know, and 2 cups of water. I like tonight, while I'm having chicken with it, I'll do a cup of rice and 2 cups of chicken broth and no water. And if I'm eating beef with it, then I'll use beef broth to cook my rice in. Now, if I'm just having rice and gravy, just regular rice and gravy, then of course I'll use water for it then. And I fix me a little bit of sweet peas there to go with it. Tell y'all a little trick about the peas, and if you happen to do canned sweet peas or canned whole kernel corn, take and put you some salt and pepper in there. You know, drain when you open the can, drain it real good. Put salt and pepper on them, stir them up real good. Take and cut you about 2 tablespoons of butter into 4 little pads there, you know. Put it on top of it, throw it in the microwave 2 to 3 minutes, stir it up real good. Hey, make them taste like fresh out of the garden there. Hey, but anyway, we're gonna give this thing a taste here. We're gonna get us a bite. Enough rambling on. I'm ready to eat. I just want to get a little bit here. Man, that looks good and smells good. If y'all can smell this. Hey, y'all got to try this recipe. Hey, let me know in the comments what you think about it and if you've ever eaten peanut butter chicken. Hey, if you would, give the old video a thumbs up there. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Hey, we appreciate all of you take time every day to watch our videos. We got us some peanut butter chicken. We'll see you on the next one.